Okay, well, that was a little walk with Bella, and it looks like this is the old wine cellar, the entrance to the wine cellar. Best guess, but a nice spider web right there. I just found this along a path. I'll show you where we are. It's morning, just woke up. Off in the distance is the Tappan Zee Bridge. Or on Croton Point. And I just found this little structure buried in the side of the wall, in the side of the hill. Big old spider web. Let's see if we can see more in here. It's just total darkness. Yeah, one of the owners of this place, I believe it was two brothers. One made wine, the other one made bricks, I think. I'll double check that. Wine cellar at Croton Point. What do you think, Bella? Is that interesting? Huh. It looks like that's a shortcut back up to the campground area. We're going to do the loop. It's Saturday morning. The park is full. I'm just taking a walk with Bella. This is a path along the south side of Croton Point. We just found the old wine cellar. And we are just heading back to camp now. Beautiful morning. Oh, a raccoon out in daylight. That's a new one. I don't think Bella's ever seen a raccoon. Back is up. You stay away from that bad boy, puppy. Bella, no. Come on. Come on. Get away. You should be looking over here for the rest of them. Bella, come. That got her excited. Come on, Bella. Okay. We'll be back. Just taking a beautiful walk with Bella at Croton Point. We're RVing. Yeah, well, this is the day to do it. It's perfect. Blue skies. Nice and breezy. We're going to go up and over that hill. It's an old landfill that they turned into a park and a bird sanctuary and grassland preservation experiment. It's pretty cool. There are a lot of birds here. We're on the migration path. That's where we're going. Alright, we're about halfway up. It's a decent walk. Bella doesn't seem to be tired. Bella, you tired? No. Beautiful clouds. Someone left the Gatorade. Someone left the Gatorade for you. What? Courteous park, right? It's never 100% easy. That's kind of cool. I think Sharon found an easier way to get down onto the beach. Always follow the dog. Huh? Bella knew how to get down here. Look at that. It looks like it used to be a brick.
Oh, that.
And I rode it into a rock. Well, this is a little bit nicer than the beach off the point. Don't drink anything, Bella. That's salty water. Hey, little maniac. What's going on? Oh, this is nice for Bella. She can get right to the water without getting on too many slippery rocks. Come here, Belle. And what do you think of this?
Is it metal? Wow. It's like a Swiss candle holder, right?
That's what I'm thinking, an old candle holder.
Hola.
Try to see if there's any inscriptions on it. It's a little piece of history. Wonder how long it's been clanking around on this beach. Down that way is the little hidden trail down to the picnic area. Here's the traffic circle at the back end of the tent section, and in front of us is the tent section. And we're going to be going up a little path up this hill by that big old tree that takes us back up to the RV area. It was a nice little hike. I guess that's the tent water supply right there, huh? Right here. Well hidden. Come on, puppy. Come on, girl. There's my girl.